Yo, good morning. Today I'm meeting up with a subscriber. He watched my video of how to install a car radio. So today I'm going to install his car radio. He bought a joining radio as well, like mine. So it would be very easy. Don't know how it will get. I'll take you with me with the whole process. I will video as much as I can and let you know what I did. So let's go, let the day started. So the process begins with undoing the shift knob. Just turn it till it gets loose. After that you will undo these panels one by one, and behind here you have certain bolts and nuts to undo the radio. So I will undo these panels first. This part is a bit different. Mine doesn't have the climate control and this has. So behind this there are all cables you have to undo. You have to undo this these cables. Yep. So you will get this piece out, put it aside, and then you have the radio. So you have 4 10mm bolts you have to undo to release the radio. Behind this there are all cables, so get yourself a place where you can lay down. You untie this 4 bolts so you'll get the radio out, and then let the wiring begin. So you have 2 brackets. They are placed aside the radio, so you have to undo 2 bolts and then you will get this loose. Keep this because this is going on your next radio to fill in the blank spaces on the sides of the radio. These as well, undo these bolts too, because these are the brackets to hold on the dashboard. So you have the 4 bolts that are these brackets. So you have to put these on your new radio.
And these aluminium brackets, they fit on a new radio?
Probably. They have to fit on the new radio because these are the brackets to hold on the dashboard. So
right.
There will not be any other brackets what I can think of. So these are two parts. Just undo these wires from each other and then put it aside because you don't need it anymore. Just undo the brackets, like I said, because you need them. So here's where we left off. The brackets are on. It's not bolted with 4 bolts because it won't fit, like you can see here. Here's where we left off. The bolts and the brackets are on. The 4 bolts won't fit because you can see here it's not in front of the hole. So we managed to get 2 on and it's sturdy enough, so it will fit. We're gonna fit the radio in the car. We want to check if it's doing okay. It's a very nice radio. Android radio, like Joying always is. I have managed to get the wires in already. These are the stock Toyota wires. It's going to ISO stacker, ISO plug, then going to the Joying plug, because Joying is going from ISO to Joying, and the ISO is connecting the Toyota wires to the Joying wires. Not that tough to do because it's just plug and play. Don't look at the wires and plug this in your Joying head unit, and it will turn on. So we're going to try if it works. Plug it in here. So it's plugged in. Then we can see it's working. I hope you can see it on camera. It's starting the Android. And you can see the radio is started up and you can use it. So we only want to check if the music is playing. So we're going to radio or something. Just plug in the antenna. This is the antenna. Very weird connector. Plug it in like this. Then we're going to try the radio. I guess this. And you can see it's working. So this is the USB on the back of the radio. We plugged in a car digital radio receiver box DAB+. It's the new radio receiver. Yeah, just put it behind the radio in the dashboard and then you're good to go. Microphone is going to be plugged in here. And we wired the other USB through here all the way back to here. So you can plug in a USB if you want and play some music or whatever. A lot of wires, but this is the antenna plug, like I told you. Plug it in and you're good to go. Then we have to plug in the main wires harness. So we plugged it in, put it all back, and then put the radio in. Before you put all things together again, you have to put in these brackets. This bracket has holes in it, so he bought new ones. Make sure to put it in before you put everything together, because you have to put it in a side here, and then it looks like this. The blank spaces will be filled in the sides, and then you're good to go. Like this. Now you have to put in the 4 bolts again to tighten up the radio. And then put everything together with the panels. Zo komt het eruit te zien.
Netjes?
Wel nice. Ja. Okay. Don't forget to put in the climate control wires. Zijn natuurlijk lekker kort. Zo. So he's in a little rough, but it's aftermarket, so you have to get it fit. It fits now. If you put on the car, you can see it's directly on. You have all the kinds of widgets, apps you can use. It's just Android, so it's very nice to use. The beep voice you can put off. Don't know how, just I think at car settings, device, sound, off. Yep, so now it's off. Put back the booth panel. Just get the booth panel, plug it in. then you have it. You have a new radio.
Nice.
And the USB is also on here, like I told a few minutes ago, but this is a nice feature. So the radio is on, is fitted well, and it looks much better than the stock Toyota radio head unit. Put back the shifter knob and you're ready to go.
Yeah, this one right here goes out to all the babies' mamas, mamas. Mamas, mamas. Baby mamas, mamas. And check this out right here.
Thomas Jackson, I am for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times. Thomas Jackson, I am for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times.
Yeah.
Thomas Jackson.
Yeah.
Bounce.
Thomas Jackson, I am for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times.
So the install's done. Werner's pretty happy about it. It worked well. All the features were working, so Bluetooth, GPS, all kind of stuff. Joying radios are the thing, you know, Android radios for the win. I really love about the Android radios that you can stream Spotify right from the head unit, so that's pretty nice. If you like this install video, please give me a thumbs up, like this video, and comment down below if I need to do more of this kind of videos. It would really help me if you do, so please, please, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. See ya!
Thomas Jackson, but I am for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times.